Today on Lone Star Grills, we're reverse searing some Lamb Chop Lollipops. We'll show you everything you need to know from shopping to searing. When done right, these can rival any steak you've ever had. We have a lamb rack here weighing in at about 2.6 pounds. For this recipe, there's a couple important things you need to be aware of during shopping. You'll want to find a rack that has a good meaty end cap with some marbling and the straightest bones possible. This is going to come into play during the sear, so take your time and find the best you can. Now there's a pretty good layer of fat on the outside, and we're going to want to remove as much of that as possible so we can expose all that beautiful meat for our rub to stick to and get the best bark and best texture possible. So take your time, use a very sharp knife, and trim as much of that fat and silver skin as possible with minimal waste. When you're done, it should look something like this. The next step is to just cut these into lollipops, which is 2 bones each. Now our rack does have a little extra meat on one end, and some people might discard that, but we're not going to waste it. It's time to make our wet rub, which is 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, 5 cloves of fresh chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now just mix that well to combine. Pour it all over these chops in a sealable container. Use your hands to get everything coated really well. Seal it up and place it in the refrigerator for anywhere from 3 to 6 hours. We'll be doing today's cook on El Fuego Trio. Its name stands for Triple Fire Grill because it can cook with wood, charcoal, or pellets. We're going to smoke our lamb chops over the pellet side today and sear over hot charcoal. So preheat to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and once fully preheated, get these lamb chop lollipops on over the pellet side with a probe to monitor temperatures. Then close the lid and let the smoke session begin. We're looking for these to reach a searing temperature of about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and that will take approximately 45 minutes. But when they hit around 70 to 80 degrees, it's time to light a chimney of charcoal to get those coals nice and hot for the sear. Once the lamb chops hit searing temperature, dump those coals into the charcoal side and run the charcoal grate on the lowest setting to avoid burning. Sear these on all 4 sides for about 45 seconds per side, and this is where the straight bones come into play. The straighter the bones, the more level they'll sit during searing, which makes your job even easier. Continue to sear and rotate these until they each break 130 degrees Fahrenheit in the center. Then you can remove them and rest them for just a few minutes. And just take a look at these results. Beautiful color, beautiful sear, and done perfectly on the inside. These are tender, juicy, and they'll rival any steak you've ever had if you do them just like this. Thank you for watching today's video. We truly appreciate it. And as always, if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below.